Before the break, I sneezed, right? And that might not be interesting, but it's, for me, it leads me into conversation. And I think I have the ugliest sneeze in the world. My sneeze is so horrible. I hate it. But I want to know, what noise do you make that sounds extremely strange? Would love to hear from you via Facebook and Instagram. And even more points to those who send me a video of these extremely strange sounds that you make. And keep them clean, please. I don't want to have any dirty sounds, people. Let me know. Facebook, Instagram. For me, my sneeze is the most strange sound in the world. But you might have, like, I don't know, a stomach sound or a head sound. Wait, can heads make sounds? Maybe not. But, you know, whatever. If it does, I would love to see it. Like, that sounds interesting. Anyway, I think I'm getting off topic here. But anyway, send me through your sounds that you make. I would love to have them in my inbox. Definitely.